After making use of these treatments, you will never use makeup again. Like, this is optional anyway, but you will get perfect, clear, beautiful skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. So consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell as well so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, this is going to help you to look beautiful without makeup. Like, you can just go out without makeup if you want, and your skin will be looking so flawless, looking so beautiful, no dark spots. Like, the results will give you a wonderful look. So the ingredients are perfect. They are the ingredients you can find actually in your kitchen. Mixing one or two ingredients together, you get perfect results. Like, this is perfectly effective. So you have to continue watching because this is going to help you a lot. So before making this treatment, you have to get a mixing bowl. Have you tried making use of tomato? Have you tried using it for your beauty treatment or your skincare routine? You have to consider trying it now because this will do a good job for your skin. It contains lycopene, a very powerful compound that if you make use of it for your skin, you get perfect results, like helping to unify your complexion, fading away dark patches, dark marks, unifying your complexion, penetrate into your skin glands to nourish and make it look younger. So it also contains anti-aging effects. Like, with consistency, you'll be looking younger and younger all the time. Another thing I love so much about tomato is that not only to remove dark spots, it will as well help to revive a tired looking face. Like, at the end of a stressful day, just apply tomato on your skin. You will see that you'll be looking so beautiful all the time. Your skin will look uniform and plump. So another wonderful ingredient you should think of is this rice powder. So rice powder is also a very powerful ingredient for beauty purpose. So making use of it will help to exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells from your skin. Your skin will look so clear and beautiful, reviving your skin to show a beautiful, clear looking skin. You can make your rice powder at home by using your rice grain. Turn it into a powdered form by using your blender. Blend it until it's very smooth, just like this. So I got this from the supermarket. Making it yourself, at least you'll be sure that it's 100% natural. No additives, no preservative. Rice powder is also very anti-aging. Like, applying it on your skin will help to tighten your skin, lift a saggy skin, fight free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. The results will amaze you, perfectly for all skin type and very mild. In case you do not have rice powder, you can actually make use of oat powder, you can make use of baking powder, but make sure you get rice powder. So another wonderful one to get is sugar. Either you make use of the cube or the granulated one, the granulated one, you can make use of it. So sugar is also very wonderful. It contains nourishing ingredients like nourishing minerals and vitamins that when you apply it on your skin, you get perfect results. You will achieve a glowing look, removing dead skin cells from your skin that makes your skin age faster. What you have to do is just to add it. I will tell you the quantity of the ingredients, mixing them together to achieve the best. Your skin will look the best. So before telling you the last ingredient, you have to get a mixing bowl. So get a clean mixing bowl. You don't want to contaminate these ingredients, okay? Because you have to apply it on your skin to get best results. Get a mixing bowl. The first ingredient you have to add here is 1 tablespoon of rice powder. So in case you want to increase the quantity, like want to make large portion, just increase all the ingredients and you're all good. But this particular one is 1 tablespoon. But for one use, okay, you want to use it only once or twice. Add 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Wash your tomato very well. Remove all this, okay? Then you have to grate it. Grate it and add the paste into the rice powder. You can get any size of tomato, but you can actually blend it if you want. Just add a little water. The mission here is to get that thick paste. Do not allow it to be watery. A very thick paste. Either you blend it or you grate it. Add it into the rice powder and you're all good. So after that, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, if it's a cube you want to make use of, add 2 cubes of sugar. So 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar or 2 cubes of sugar and you're all good. So just add it into this ingredient. These 3 ingredients are perfect but not complete yet. So you have to add rose water, to make it a smooth paste. So just add little amount of rose water. Rose water is perfect for all skin type, perfectly natural for all skin type, helping to balance the skin pH, fighting free radical damage that makes you age faster, fighting free radical signs like wrinkles, fine lines that makes your skin look dull and old. Okay, so with consistent use of rose water, you have a great skin. Your skin will be glowing, your skin will be clear, helping to hydrate your skin as well. For all skin type, if you have a dry skin, you can make use of it, hydrating your skin. If you have an oily skin, it will help to absorb so much oil, like minimizing excessive oil on your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, perfect. So what you have to do is to be adding it into those 3 ingredients. Little by little, be mixing it, adding little by little, until the ingredients turn a thick paste, okay? Not watery and not so thick. So this is the way it should be. If you do not have rose water, you can actually mix with ordinary water and you're all good. After mixing these ingredients until they are uniform in a smooth paste, okay, not watery, you have to wash your skin, remove all makeups. Make sure you don't have any makeup on your skin. Remove all eye makeups and the rest, so that this treatment will have time, penetrate well into your skin, get perfect results. So apply this treatment on your skin, apply everywhere you want to treat. Apply on your neck as well, so that everywhere will be uniform. After applying this treatment on your skin, you have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Okay, perfectly safe, very safe. And after that, use a lukewarm water to wash it off. Your skin will look so naturally beautiful. Your skin will be glowing. You will feel the effects from the first use. So when you want to wash it off, washing it off on a running water, be scrubbing it. Remember, the rice powder and the sugar, it helps to remove dead skin cells, very exfoliating. So you using your hand to scrub it will help greatly. But if you have acne on your skin, do not scrub. Okay, do not scrub it. Just rinse it out gently until all the pastes are gone. So this is a perfect way to achieve beautiful clear skin. With no makeup, you can go out there and be looking so wonderful. Tomato and sugar can give you a perfect result on your skin. Achieving beautiful skin with consistent use, you'll be looking younger and younger and younger. So use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day. Very safe to use every day. You can use it at night or in the morning. After 15-20 minutes, wash it off and you're all good. Your skin will get tighter. Your skin, with consistent use, you will see that those wrinkles and fine lines will be gone. It will lift a saggy skin. Make sure you apply it on your neck as well, applying it under your eye to help to treat eye wrinkles. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.